We continue to monitor this developing story involving the trial of a Hollywood nursing home administrator.
A judge acquitting him in the deaths of residents following Hurricane Irma. Local 10's Ian Margold has been monitoring this case and is joining us live now from the courthouse with much more. Ian.
The judge making that decision this afternoon, just days after the defense moved for that acquittal.
The trial of George Carballo, the administrator at the Rehabilitation Center at Hollywood Hills, is over. It began more than 2 weeks ago. On February 6th, Carballo was facing 9 counts of aggravated manslaughter. This after 12 elderly patients died back in 2017 in the days after Hurricane Irma left the facility with no power and no air conditioning in soaring temperatures. During the trial, one EMT testified that the conditions early on were bearable in the nursing home, but deteriorated as the days went on. One patient had a temperature of 107 degrees, but a doctor also testified that moving the patients in their condition could have been harmful. On Wednesday, Carballo's defense moved for an acquittal.
There's been no explanation by the state as to why charges were dropped and why other people were in charge.
But prosecutors pushed back.
In this case, judges, not about medical decisions. It's about course of conduct. The defendant's course of conduct. It showed absolute reckless disregard for human life.
Late Friday, Carballo's defense attorneys reacted to the judge's ruling.
We are, of course, delighted with the ruling by Judge Murphy. We believe it is right on point. It is the position that we have taken for 3 years in this case.
So ultimately, 9 charges of aggravated manslaughter were dropped. In his ruling, the judge basically said, look, Carballo may not have given these people the care they deserved completely, but he wasn't acting recklessly or with a complete disregard for their safety either. The state did send us a statement saying they were filing a motion for a rehearing on Monday. Live at Fort Lauderdale, I'm Ian Margold, Local 10 News.
Yeah,